Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has been an enduring source of inspiration for progress and development. IMD's 150-year journey has been marked by significant advancements in meteorological science and technology, beginning with cyclone warnings and monsoon forecast during the British era, and has since evolved into a modern organization using advanced technology to provide vital services in weather forecasting, climate research, and disaster management. With that, एक बार फिर हम बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. आपकी सोच, आपका समर्पण और आपका दृढ़ निश्चय हमें एक सशक्त, आत्मनिर्भर और प्रगतिशील भारत की ओर प्रेरित करता है. और इसी के साथ अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी द एस्टीम्ड सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्थ साइंसेज डॉक्टर एम रविचंद्रन. पृथ्वी विज्ञान मंत्रालय के सचिव डॉक्टर एम रविचंद्रन से सादर अनुरोध करती हूं कि वे कृपया आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का स्मृति चिन्ह भेंट कर स्वागत, सम्मान करें, अभिनंदन करें. Ladies and gentlemen, as a token of our gratitude and admiration for his unwavering dedication to the nation's progress, may I request the respected Secretary, sir, to kindly present a memento to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And with that, sir, I request you to please present a token of our appreciation and gratitude to the Honorable Minister of State for Earth Sciences, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, whose leadership continues to guide us forward. And finally, may I request the Secretary to extend a warm and gracious welcome to the Secretary General of the World Meteorological Organization, the distinguished Ms. Celeste Saulo, who has joined us for this momentous occasion. Thank you very much, Dr. Ravichandran, for doing the honors. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, as we begin, I would like to begin with a Sanskrit shlok which says, Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande translates to, as is the microcosm, so is the macrocosm. This profound concept from Indian philosophy reminds us of the intricate relationship between the natural world and human existence. The India Meteorological Department has been instrumental in decoding this relationship, helping us understand and prepare for the ever-changing dynamics of nature. और इसी भावना के साथ अब मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ इंडिया मेटेरोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट के डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ मेटेरोलॉजी डॉक्टर मृत्युंजय मोहापात्रा स्वागत भाषण देने के लिए. आइए जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें डॉक्टर मृत्युंजय मोहापात्रा.